Hey, so first of all, I'm going to apologize for the audio. I'm using my cheap headphones. But I want to talk about this issue I found with the Windows and Nvidia. If you have a raw system, such as this one, the problem is Windows will go out and update the Nvidia driver in the background without your permission. This system is locked down pretty tight. So Windows updates are disabled, driver updates are disabled. It's still going out and doing it. This has been an issue for me for a couple of years, and really, I guess today was kind of the last straw, and I said I'm going to figure this out. Low-tech solution is if you're in person, obviously you can pull the plug on the system, and that keeps it from going out and downloading the update. With everyone working remotely now, it's not so easy. If I disconnect the network or disable it, then I can't use the machine. So there's really a two-part process, and the first part is something you've probably seen online already if you're searching for a solution to this problem. So this command is system properties hardware, all one word. Get you right where you need to be. Go to this device installation settings. Of course, I always keep this locked down anyway, but if yours isn't, you'll need to set it to no. Definitely do not want Microsoft installing stuff on a system without me knowing about it. So that's done. The next part is the part that everybody seems to miss. So we're going to just go ahead and open up services, services.msc. And when I scroll down here, there's a Windows update. So as you can see, I have this set to manual. That's because I do not want Microsoft putting anything on here without me knowing about it. So we have a different system in place that pushes updates once they've been validated, and it's determined they won't break anything. Here's the problem. This little booger here is what's allowing that Nvidia driver to be installed. So if you go to properties, select disabled, apply, okay. Now you're safe. Now you're free from Microsoft for the moment. You may need to go into your control panel and manually remove that Nvidia driver. That's fine. You know, go ahead and do it. Yeah, like this is not the driver I wanted at all on here. I'm testing a different driver for production systems. So I'll go ahead and let this finish. But after you're done rebooting, when it comes back up, it's not going to do that again. It's not going to install that driver behind your back. It'll just sit there. So hopefully this helps, saves you a lot of time. I know it's an extremely frustrating problem that I've been dealing with for a while, and I'm glad to have finally come up with at least a solution that works for me. Hope this helps you. Thanks.